For my STEM Pathways project, I researched and created a new design for the DNA Center in ISK. This consisted of researching building materials and techniques, sketching ideas, learning ArchiCAD, and creating an initial design for the building. Through my research of sustainable materials, I chose EnviroBoard and Ferroc or Ashcrete. EnviroBoard is made of compressed agricultural waste fibers. It is fire-resistant and water-resistant and stronger than conventional boards. The other two materials are concrete substitutes. They are both made from waste materials, and I included them both as, depending on unseen circumstances, one might be better than the other. I also looked into mycelium, but it cannot be used for this project as it does not last very long. In addition to these special materials, regular materials and recycled materials would be used. Some of the overall things I focused on when looking at sustainability were natural ventilation, rainwater harvesting, and natural lighting. For natural ventilation, I ensured that the windows were placed so that there was cross ventilation in each room. This keeps the rooms cool and ensures that any pollutants in the air get filtered out. For rainwater harvesting, the roofs will be situated so the rainwater can be harvested easily. Natural lighting is also very important. Even though lights do not take up that much energy, it is important to have a bright natural environment. To create my actual design, I learned how to use ArchiCAD. I primarily used the tutorials from the ArchiCAD website and the tutorials from the YouTube channel SB Architect. The ones from the ArchiCAD website primarily helped me understand the interface and the basics of how to use all the different tools. The YouTube tutorials went in depth of how to use each of the basic tools. This included in-depth ways to modify each object like doors, walls, etc. This process took a long time because after each tutorial, I spent time experimenting with each tool. Finally, after I had decided and researched all of these things, I started creating my actual design. One of the things I decided to do was make the floor plan the same with very minimal changes so that a lot of the same things could be used. The one place that I did change the floor plan of was the bathroom, and as it was already on a different level than the other parts of the building, it did not change much. While I have designed individual rooms, the full building is not yet complete.